Waldner Cup. Day 2 recap. You can watch the full matches on waldnerlive.com. All of the uploads of the event to YouTube, Facebook are not allowed.
Always something different from tools, and he pulls it out here.
The Waldner Cup 2024 has ended today. Team Asia claimed gold in the first ever Waldner Cup. Their captain, the Dragon Ma Long, brought home the victory with a huge win over Truls Morgard in the final match.
Yeah, and you managed a big comeback for your team.
Yeah, we knew the situation before. They really put the first 4 matches they have strong team from this. But that we should be 0-4, that was tough. 1-3 we could handle, but anyway after 0-4 we won the important 5th match, and then after some confidence grew in the group. And we could win some important matches tough. But I think all over quite fair result. It could be 3-5 and 5-3, so it's quite fair, I think.
Are you happy with the success of Waldner Cup so far? It's gone well? It's gone what you planned?
Yeah, difficult to say for me because I was coaching, but if you know around, I think everyone told me it's very good. So you have to ask the spectators and the guys around, but I think it's also easy tomorrow because now we know how it's working.
Absolutely,
so
absolutely.
We clean the floor and do the important things that the players are happy. It's the most important, and now we're going to go for the draw also.
Nice.
So how we put up the team.
How's it going, Charles?
Everything is good. We are preparing here for the second day.
Big day ahead.
Yeah, really. We want to win 4-4. Tough matches today. We are underdogs if you ask me, so we will try our best.
Of course, you've got Ma Long on the last match.
Yeah.
Big.
Yeah, I have Waldner as a coach, so he should be fine. So I'm trusting him.
You believe you can do it?
I believe we must get there first.
Yeah.
It's tough matches, but it will be cool to play him in the last match.
Exciting, man.
Yeah.
All right, good luck, dude.
Thank you very much.
Let's go.
Thank you.
The crowd was absolutely electric throughout. The players brought the best out of each other. Team Asia has won Team World. Ma Long wins and Team Asia are victorious in the inaugural Waldner Cup 14-10. What an incredible weekend of table tennis at the first ever Waldner Cup. Congratulations to Team Asia who were pushed all the way by Team World. Phenomenal level of play and a superb weekend enjoyed by a full house of spectators. The final match of the weekend, it all comes down to this. Ma Long against Charles Morgard, watch day 2, live on waldnerlive.com.
So, Dimmer, big day yesterday. Enjoying it?
It was fantastic. I mean, incredible atmosphere, big fighting spirit. We was down 0-4, came back to 4-4. I'm really excited for day 2.
Yeah, for sure. What's the tactics like in the team? Are you guys happy with the lineup? You think you can do it?
Well, I mean, we had a really rough start yesterday, but I mean, we won 4 matches straight, so we are definitely going confident into day 2, considering they are a really strong team in Asia.
Absolutely. You've got Zhang Jike. Should be a good one.
Yeah, I think I played a fantastic match yesterday against Malone. I had match ball in the second.
So close.
It was a great match, and if I can keep up the performance, I'm confident.
Yeah, I like how everyone is given 100%, and it's like both teams really want to win this, it seems.
Yeah, I mean, match by match, we're getting more excited for this, and I feel like even though it's the first occasion, it's already like really electric. Like both teams are really very motivated to win, and it's a very exciting moment.
All right, wish you all the best of luck. Cheers, man.